Hi, it's me, Garrett, from Port Monkeys. Somewhere around here is Janet, but we are in St. Michael's Russian Orthodox Church in Sitka, Alaska. And we've never had the pleasure to walk in here before. It's always been, under restoration. Of course, you still can't go in up there. Let's walk around to the dome. Very crowded. There's Janet. I don't know. They have music playing. There's not anyone in here singing. It's piped in. A lot of artifacts here. I'm not sure if they still use this or if it's just for show. This is over where we started, and now Janet's here. She's taking photographs. When you're ready. Okay. So we're going to walk outside where it's raining, and so I'm going to end real quick before too many droplets get on the lenses. But you could buy a candle and light it and do like that lady did. She stuck it into the thing there. $5 suggested donation. And they take charge cards. So I'm still under a cover. And it might have quit raining. Of course, there's another church right there. Lots of gift shops. I guess we're on Lincoln Street. Sitka, Alaska. Let's go out here. Yeah, there's no rain. And so there it is. Across the street.
I'll take one
big. That's the Sitka Lutheran Church, and the Lutheran cemetery was up on the hill there, near the Russian cemetery. So this is Russian Orthodox. That's why the crosses have that little extra piece on it. And so from Sitka, Alaska. I'm Garrett. That's Janet. Goodbye.